high scale, guys. Today we have platform scales like this. This is a OHAUS, model is where is the model? SD-200. So it was there, but we can see it here as well. So model is SD-200, and to calibrate these scales you have the scale switch. So in its lock position on the bottom, so you need to unlock it, but sometimes it's already unlocked, so try to do it first. And to calibrate it we need to press and hold units, switch cal, and when we can see cal here, so we press 0 on off 0 button, and it's calibrating 0 now. Now it's asking us about 100 kgs, because I choose units before I go to calibration. I choose units kgs here. So now I need to put 100 kg here. So this is 20 each, and I put 2 tens, so I have 100 here, and I press on off 0 button, and now it's calibrating. Calibration done, 100 kgs, and we will check 90. Let's move one more, it will be 80, which is 80, one more 60, so that's all. Calibration done, guys. Thanks for watching.